Hey, I'm Harry, the Nakaharima navigator.
And I'm Hime-chan.
Nakaharima is a region consists of Himeji City and its north next towns Fukusaki Town, Ichikawa Town, and Kamikawa Town.
Today, we will be featuring these places: the famous place of producing glutinous barley and birthplace of the Japanese golf club Ironheads.
First is here, the Kyoei golf industry.
Ichikawa is the origin place of producing the iron golf clubs.
This company has a long history. They have been making the iron heads of golf clubs for over 60 years. We can join to the factory tour as well.
Whoa, that's exciting even if we don't know anything about golf.
In Ichikawa, SNAG golf is also popular. This is a kind of golf teaching and building the basic skills of golf.
Lunch is here, our recommendation.
This is a house cafe Oku.
Their French toast is very popular. Their ingredients are chosen carefully.
Next is the Himarin Tourist Information Center.
You can get tourist information, meet local specialties, and take a break at the relax space.
Next to Ichikawa Town Cultural Center, there is a concert hall and a memorial hall for scriptwriter Hashimoto Shinobu.
Hashimoto Shinobu is a world-famous scriptwriter. He has worked with works of Kurosawa Akira and Matsumoto Seicho. And now, here is the place to refresh. Refresh Park Ichikawa.
This is an accommodation surrounded by great nature with rich green, and there are also campsites and cottages.
Refresh your mind and body with fresh, clear air.
For dinner, enjoy skewers around a hearth. It's irresistible. Let's start the second day at the driving range Ichikawa Golf.
It's also very popular among locals.
Here is the birthplace of Yanagita Kunio, who is considered as the father of Japanese native folklore studies Nihon Minzokugaku.
It's designated as a cultural property by Hyogo Prefecture, and Kunio himself said it is the smallest house in Japan.
It's a valuable building you should definitely visit.
Today, we'll satisfy our appetites here. The House of Glutinous Barley.
This area is famous for producing glutinous barley, and it's Hyogo's recommended brand.
The glutinous barley mochimugi gives a soft and chewy texture more than ordinary barley.
Oops, it's time. Hurry to the next pond.
It's about time. Here he is. That's Gajiro the kappa.
He sticks his head out of the pond at a fixed time every day.
He's a famous kappa, very popular among tourists.
And that's all for the Ichikawa area tour course.
Golf, dining and kappa. So much to enjoy.
You should definitely visit.